everybody, welcome back to the channel of Jimmy is Promo, and today we're going to be getting a close look at AR Doodle and live video focus that's on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Now, while at Unpacked, I didn't have a lot of time to play with both of these features. I was trying to really do a high overview of everything, and then time ran out and I didn't really have a good model to show off both of these really cool new features. So we walked into Best Buy yesterday, my son and I had him be the model showing off live video focus with all the different filters that's on there. And then we also played with AR Doodle, which I believe is probably going to be one of the favorite features on the Galaxy Note 10. So I am off to the side in this video shot here. All the rest of the video footage is going to be right over here. I'll watch it with you and commentate basically what is happening with these two new shots on the Galaxy Note 10. So first, heading over into the phone of the Galaxy Note 10, I did the screen record. We're heading over into live video focus, and then this is where we can do that bokeh effect of distance. So the first one you see there is 4 squares with circles. The first one was blur. The second one is called big circle, which is what's being on right now. I had him lift his hands. I wanted to see all the pixelation of everything else. And then we also head over into color point, which he is the one in color. Everything else is black and white. And then the last one is called glitch. So this one's pretty fun. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of like an old VCR tape being pulled out in 2019 and all the little scratches and cuts in the video or the film. Now this line here is how you're able to change the intensity of the blur of your background. So you can either have it very light or extremely heavy with any 4 of those shooting modes. Now we're heading into a screen record of AR Doodle. So you opened up the Air command and we're clicking on AR Doodle, and this one is referred to as face. So it'll first find a face and you have to write or draw inside that square around your object's face. And then this person, let's say that they turn around, which Bentley just did there, it went away, and then when he turned back around, it came back. So it's really looking for the recognition of face in order for it to keep those letters or drawing. So now I hit back a few times and we hit on everywhere. So this is where it becomes really fun with like AR Core and the AR Doodle. So you can see here I drew a line and I was able to go through it as I went closer to his face. And then you have all these different pen types. So you have like a highlighter, like a neon color. This one is one of those that's kind of like a ripple effect or a mirror effect. And so it's pretty fun to draw and walk around. So you can see here we are inside of Best Buy. So if you want to play with this, you can also head over to Best Buy and test it out. And so this is kind of where I just drew a little bit more, and I almost basically drew an obstacle course. So this is where I believe a lot of people is gonna have a lot of fun with this. And so I just kind of drew something almost looks like shark teeth, walked away, I came closer, and then you can see that you can go through anything that you draw as you get closer to your object. So again, this one is underneath everywhere, not the category of face. Now with this next one, I did finally turn the camera, and so we'll just be watching this video clip here. So this one is highlighter. You can see all 4 of those pens you can use. You can also change the color of anything that you also draw. So you can go with like a pink color, blue, green, really anything that you want. So this one's more of like a neon type of a color. This is where I decided I'm gonna walk backwards as I am drawing and then basically making an obstacle course. So, I mean, let me know in the comments below what you guys are thinking of this. I do have another shot of going through everything from the very beginning again. And this one's doing the screen record on the Galaxy Note 10 of the employee over at Best Buy. So here is the AR Doodle. You're able to choose it. You choose it from the Air command, which you saw at the very beginning. And then so this is where I'm like, all right, I'm gonna draw an obstacle course right away and see kind of what happens. So I'm going through, trying a couple of the different tips. I didn't really go through and change the colors. I think you guys can kind of get the gist of what you're able to do. I really only wanted to show you what each tip was able to do versus changing all the colors. You can test all that for yourself inside of a Best Buy, and you can go in really any other stores too. So Sprints and Verizon's and everybody should have this phone already on display. So you can see how I am basically drawing an obstacle course. I was able to walk through it. So it's almost like a matrix effect. So that's what is probably the main thing I love about this, is that it feels like the Matrix. It's like everything is paused, something is going through the air. So you can see a lot of cool challenges might even happen with this type of video content. So you know, when you had that video challenge where you were able to pause everything and everybody is frozen and you walk through, so you can do some fun Matrix things like this. So you kind of have that mirror or that water effect, making it look like a bullet. and everybody is doing all these matrix poses. So I can already claim it right now that people are probably gonna do that and set it up to be a challenge. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about these two new things that's part of the Galaxy Note 10's camera, which is gonna be the live video focus. It's not just a live focus for video anymore. You can do it with video. And then you also have AR Doodle, which is basically using Google's AR core in order for all of this to really happen. So we're getting a lot into this AR stuff, which is a pretty big deal when it comes to those 3D sensors on the back of the Galaxy Note 10. Other than that, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side, that little circle. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites, which means Twitter and Facebook and anything else that you're able to share this video. Just do it. Let's get this video out there and more known, because these are some really cool features. But other than that, I'll see you guys later.